DHI, the original hair care expert, launches different types of hair care products, which has many hair shampoos, hair tonics, serums and conditioner. The dry hair shampoo reduces the dryness, moisturizes the scalp, adds shine and elasticity, and it stimulates the dull, dry, lifeless hair. The oily shampoo reduces the hypersecretion of the sebum of the scalp, smoothens the hair and makes the hair frizz-free. The normal shampoo, which contains minerals and vitamins that prevents the dullness and thinning of hair, improves the texture of the hair and adds suppleness to the hair. The the daily use shampoo has special complex of PCA and olive oil. It moisturizes, protects the scalp from irritation even after a daily use. All the shampoos are unisex and can be chosen as per the individual scalp quality. The shampoos can be complemented with the hair tonic. This is non-oily and yet nourishes the scalp. Post the hair wash with the hair shampoos, one can use the hair serum, which increases the suppleness of the hair. It also ensures that the thinning of the hair reduces. A conditioner for all hair type is also available. So one should pick up what is best suited to their hair quality.